Hi, my name is Kim Delgado. My pronouns are she, her, and I'm a Senior Staff Solution Architect here at VMware. And my lab that I'm going to be introducing you to today is the Data Services Manager Lab. This introduction to Data Services Manager helps you understand how you can manage your open source databases at scale efficiently and effectively. You will learn how to leverage the API and so for your developers to be able to quickly and easily stand up database virtual machines and then be able to manage them as an infrastructure person and keep tabs on and monitor all of those database servers. Data Services Manager brings a great deal of functionality both to our infrastructure managers, those that are responsible for spinning up virtual machines and making that process easier to stand up database servers. But it also serves the application developers and the database management team because they can quickly and easily self-service request these databases and reduce that timeline to actually create the databases that they need to do their day-to-day jobs. When you get started on this lab, you're going to learn how to leverage the API to create a database virtual machine, and then you will be able to review that, watch that VM spin up, and then you'll see how it can be managed, updated, and modified through the catalog or the UI as well. I hope you consider taking the Data Services Manager Lab to learn more about this new solution that we are really excited about here at VMware.